I can make any shape, I can make any design, I can do anything that is possible on a flat surface. Hi, I'm Mike Eels, and I'm with Hisco Precision Converting. We take flexible materials, anything on a roll or in sheets, and we can laminate, we slit, we sheet, we die cut. We take these materials and we make parts. This is a piece of adhesive tape that is used for bonding, and we'll take a die and cut this material into a customer's specific shape, and it'll be used between two pieces of other products for bonding or fastening, sound dampening, different applications. This is an example of a part that we engineered and we designed for one of our customers who's manufacturing a motion-controlled faucet, water faucet. And he had an application where he was using two screws to mount a printed circuit board inside the faucet. We took that part and we made it out of a material that is able to replace the fasteners and eliminate the labor and the overhead and the costs associated with applying two screws. At the same time, it's waterproof and it gives cushioning to the device. We saved our customer significant profits by eliminating the screwing or fasteners that he's using in his faucet. We do prototyping. We offer a 24-hour prototyping service. We have two offices in North America, one in Houston and one in Southern California, that we can actually, if your material is in our stock, we can turn out a prototype. You just send us a print online and we'll send you a part that same day and you can have it the next day. So we do rapid prototyping for our customers. A customer came to us from the solar industry that had a requirement for an adhesive or a fastening device that could last for 25 years in a solar application. We were able to design a pressure-sensitive tape with a liner on both sides, and this adhesive will stick to the junction box and then to the back of the solar panel and eliminate any other fastening requirements that they might have. We have a number of customers that are in the electronic manufacturing industry, a lot of military customers that have requirements for EMI RFI shielding. What we have here is a tinned copper foil that's been embossed into a specific pattern that creates electrical conductivity in this part, but this was designed for a shielding device.